Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to update a document in Firestore using the Firebase Blueprint plugin library for Unreal Engine. To update a document, use the Update Document node. Then use the document path pin to target a document. Click and hold on it, then drag on an empty spot. Search for Make Array, and select it in the menu. Every even element is a collection, and every odd element is a document. For the document pin, we need to pass in a document object with all the contents we want to update. Use the Begin Write Document node to begin building the document. Add content to it using these add nodes from the plugin. If we take a look at our data, there's a string called name. If we want to update that, we will need to use a add string node. And pass in the key and new value. Once the document is finished, plug it into the document pin. For the callbacks, click and hold on them, then drag on an empty spot. Select Add Event, then add Custom Event. If I compile, save, and run the app, the value of name will change. That's all for this video. If you find this helpful, give it a like, share, and subscribe.